Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Now, in yesterday's netcast, I quickly showed how to use a custom number format using the zones. I used 0 semicolon to show the positive numbers and 0 and to hide the negative numbers. Let's take another look at that custom number format because it's pretty interesting. I have a column here of amounts due, a balance due column. So, for example, in this first cell, the person owes us $44. In the next row, they paid in full. In the next row, they've actually overpaid. We owe them $77. Well, we can adjust the way that that's displayed without using any concatenation or anything like that. We can actually set up a custom number format. Let me go to another worksheet where I've already set this up. I'm going to go to Format Cells, that's Control 1, and we're going to take a look at the Number tab. And basically, I used all three zones. I said, if the value is positive, I want to ask the customer to send in the money. So, in quotes, please remit, a space, close quotes, and then my custom number format of $0.00. Then a semicolon. Now I'm working on what happens if it's negative. If it's negative, we actually owe them money, so I say you have a credit balance of, and you'll notice that I don't put a negative sign in the custom number format. I just put $0.00. This will take that negative number and not display the negative sign, but instead let them know that they have a credit balance. A semicolon, and now I'm dealing with what happens if it's 0. Well, if it's 0, then they're paid in full. We don't owe them. They don't owe us. We can just replace that 0 with paid in full. And I use no number codes there. And when I click OK, you'll see that for the value that was 0, we actually still see 0 in the formula bar. But what we're displaying in Excel are the words paid in full. Here, this is a positive 44, so we ask them to please remit $44. Here, this was a negative 77, and we say you have a credit balance of $77. It's pretty wild that that custom number format allows 3 different zones, and if you put your text in quotes, you're able to actually modify the number very well. It all continues to work. I can even come down here and sum up these numbers because they're all actually stored as numbers, but displayed as text. We see that we actually have a positive $37 that's owed to us from all of those numbers. Amazing use of the custom number format using the semicolons to separate the number format into 3 zones. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.